हेलो पिला माने वेलकम टू पीओसीसी क्लासेस। आज वीडियो रे आमे ऑन एग्जामिनेशन प्रोज रो 56 मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन गुडी को डिस्कशन करिबा। तेणु पिला माने वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग रु एंडिंग पर्यंत अबिना स्किप करके देखो एवं एई 56 एमसीक्यू भितरु निश्चित भाव रे पूरा गारंटी दउछि पिला माने एमसीक्यू आसीबो। ओके तो चलो आमे क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करिबा। प्रश्न नंबर 1, how old was Churchill when he entered the inhospitable regions? 10, 12, 13 and 15, and the right answer is 12. Question number 2, how were the examination to the author? Option A, happy occasion. B, difficult to pass. C, a great trial. D, hard game. And the right answer is great trial. Okay, question number 3 पिला माने which subjects did the author say were the dearest to the examiners? Dearest to the examiners होइछि पिला माने, and the right answer is option D, mathematics and Latin. Question number 4 पिला माने which subject did Churchill like? Churchill like history, poetry and essay writing. Just मन रखो पिला माने जो आमर कहगला कौन जदि एग्जामिनर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कौन ना मैथमेटिक्स एंड लाटिन्स एवं राइटर को कौन आसु नथिला मैथमेटिक्स एंड लाटिन आसु नथिला एवं राइटर फेवरेट कौन थिला हिस्ट्री, पोएट्री एंड एसे राइटिंग। एथिरे कंफ्यूजन पड़िबनी पिला माने। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हिच सब्जेक्ट डिड चर्चिल लाइक लिस्ट? लिस्ट माने कौन बहुत कम भल पाउतले कोन सब्जेक्ट को, एंड द राइट आंसर इज लाटिन एंड मैथमेटिक्स, कारण तांकर सेतरी लाटिन एंड मैथमेटिक्स तांकर हो नथिला। ओके, नेक्स्ट पिला माने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिबा। Question number 6, how were the examination question to the author? Difficult to answer, easy to answer, unattractive, unsatisfactory, and the right answer is difficult to answer. Question number 7, what would have Churchill liked to be asked? To say what he knew, to say what he liked, to say about his favorite subject, not to be asked anything at all, and the right answer is pila mane to say what he knew. Question number 8 को जो pila mane, what did Churchill feel the examiner always tried to ask? Option A, question from the subject he disliked, what he did not know, what he wanted to know, and what he did not like, and the right answer is pila mane what he did not know. Okay, next question को जो pila mane, what would have Churchill willingly displayed if he were examined in his favorite subject? His knowledge, his ignorance, his arrogance, his grasp of subjects, and the right answer is पिला माने his knowledge. Okay पिला माने next question को जो पिला माने देखो, what did the examiner seek to expose? Churchill's ability, Churchill's knowledge, Churchill's ignorance, his grasp on subject, and the right answer is पिला माने Churchill's ignorance. Okay, question number 11 पिला माने, where did not Churchill do well in examination? Churchill examination रे कहाँ की भलो करनो थिले? Option A, he did not study hard. Option B, he disliked the examination subject. Option C, he was not prepared. Option D, he did not want to get into harrow, and the right answer is पिला माने option B, he disliked the examination subject. Okay, question number 12 को जो पिला माने, who was the headmaster at Harrow? Harrow School headmaster के थिले रे पिला माने, एटा मु कहि बिनी, एटा माने मते कहो, एटा बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन पिला माने, मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करके कहो that who was the headmaster at Harrow. Okay, question number 13, what did the headmaster show in judging Churchill's general ability? Option A, concern, option B, anger, option C, content, option D, discriminant, and the right answer is discriminant. Okay, question number 14. Okay, question number 14, where were the headmaster's judgment of Churchill's general ability in the Latin paper remarkable? Because he had done well, because he did not answer most of the question, because he did not answer any question, because he had a good handwriting, and the right answer is पिला माने option C, because he did not answer एनी क्वेश्चन। जेहेतु चर्चिल एग्जाम हल गले किसी लिखिले नहीं, क्वेश्चन पेपर आंसर पूरा ब्लैंक था, तेणुक हेडमास्टर जजमेंट उपर ता इम्पैक्ट पकई जे पिलाटी कहीं लिखिनी। ओके पिला माने नेक्स्ट जा पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 को जा पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 देजी पिला माने व्हाट डिड चर्चिल राइट ऑन हिज लैटिन पेपर। चर्चिल लैटिन पेपर कौन लिखिले हिज नेम एंड क्लास, हिज नेम एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, हिज नेम एंड द आंसर टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हिज नेम। देख पिला माने बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन यार राइट आंसर है पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 राइट आंसर है पिला माने ऑप्शन बी है जो रे पिला माने हिज नेम एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर। ओके आउ से किछि जानि पारिले भी नहीं। ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो पिला माने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन what was the sad spectacle for the Churchill, what was the sad spectacle for Churchill। question number 16 पिला माने not being able to answer a single question, not completing his paper in an examination, not appearing the examination, not being able to leave the examination hall। कौन पाई तांको दुख हो गला एवं से सैड स्पेक्टाकल हो गले चर्चिल बिकॉज राइट आंसर जो पिला ऑप्शन ए बिकॉज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू आंसर ए सिंगल क्वेश्चन कारण जेहेतु लैटिन एंड मैथमेटिक्स रो आसीला एवं चर्चिल किसी जानि नथिले से गोटे क्वेश्चन आंसर मध्ये दे पारिले नाही। ओके पिला माने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 व्हेयर डिड चर्चिल कीप ऑन स्टेइंग व्हेयर डिड चर्चिल कीप ऑन स्टेयरिंग एट हिज पेपर आफ्टर राइटिंग डाउन द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन आई। ऑप्शन ए he did not know the answer, he did not like the Latin paper, he did not want to get into Harrow, he did not learn Latin before, and the right answer is पिला माने he did not know any answer से गोटे भी आंसर जान नथिले। ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 who did Churchill give credit for his passing into Harrow, and the right answer is पिला माने ऑप्शन बी his headmaster because his headmaster selected him जो तो से किछि रखि नथिले। ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 whom did Churchill consider as a man of capable of looking beneath the surface of the things, and the right answer is पिला माने his headmaster। ओके और क्लियर पिला माने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 what did Churchill have for his headmaster, greatest admiration, greatest regard, greatest discernment and greatest gratitude, and the right answer is पिला माने greatest regard। ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 where was Churchill placed in Harrow, in the 4th division, in the lowest division, in the 2nd form, in the 4th form, and the right answer is पिला माने in the lowest division। okay next question how were the names of the boys painted in the school list, and the right answer is in alphabetical orders। next question where did the last two students leave Harrow। option A they were the last, they got into Leighton through illness or some other cause, they were humiliated for being the last, and the right answer is पिला माने 23 option C through illness or some other cause। okay question number 14 को जो पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 where did many visitors wait on the school steps to see Churchill। option A his father was an eminent person, option B he was the last at Harrow, option C he was very handsome, option D his father was very rich, and the right answer is पिला माने option A his father was an eminent person, he was an eminent politician। okay next who was Lord रैंडोल्फ चर्चिल 25 क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए पिला माने द ऑथर्स फादर। ओके 26 हु वाज द लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ऑफ द कॉमन्स एंड द चांसलर ऑफ द एक्सचेकर, एंड द राइट आंसर इज कौन पिला माने एटा तमने मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करके कहिबो। ओके 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन आंसर कौन हेबो। नेक्स्ट व्हाट वाज द disrespectful remark that Churchill frequently heard from the visitors, and the right answer is पिला माने 27 option A where was he last of all। okay question number 28 what was the advantages that Churchill had over the cleverer boys, and the right answer is option B he learned English through leap। okay क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 व्हाट वाज और वेयर द क्लेवरर बॉय टॉट क्लेवरर पिला माने को कोन पढ़ा होतला पिला माने बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन पिला माने ग्रीक एंड लैटिन पढ़ा जाउतला ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 व्हाट वाज और वेयर द वीकर बॉय टॉट वीकर बॉय को कोन पढ़ा होतला पिला माने वीकर बॉय माने को इंग्लिश पढ़ा जाउतला एटे गोटे मन रखबार हला जे पिला माने हारो स्कूल रे कोन होतला जो माने वीक थिले से माने को इंग्लिश पढ़ा जाउतला एवं जे माने क्लेवरर बॉय थिले से माने को ग्रीक एवं लैटिन पढ़ा जाउतला ऑल क्लियर पिला माने नेक्स्ट हु वाज चर्चिल्स इंग्लिश टीचर एटा मु कोन कहबी लाने तने मते निजे कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करके कह जे चर्चिल कर इंग्लिश टीचर किए थिले ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट ड्यूटी वाज मिस्टर समरवेल चार्ज्ड विथ ऑप्शन ए टू टीच इंग्लिश टू द क्लास efficiently to teach Greek to the cleverer boys to teach English to the stupidest boy to teach English to the upper class boy and the right answer is my dear student option C to teach English to the stupidest student boys okay next question what did the boy learn thoroughly from Mr. Somerville and the right answer is option B English parsing okay देखा पिला माने एटे जो 56 एमसीक्यू अछि सही 56 एमसीक्यू मध्यरु ही आसीबो तेणु कन्फ्यूजन हेबा नाइन किंबा टेंशन हेबा नाइन धैर्य हेबा नाइ पिला माने धैर्य सहित देखो वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग रु एंडिंग पर्यंत एई 56 एमसीक्यू देखि देलो बोले पूरा तमरो एग्जाम निश्चित भाव एथरु ही क्वेश्चन आसीबो ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर आमे जिबा 34 How long did Churchill remain in the third fourth? Option A 4 times as long as anyone else. Option B 3 times as long as anyone else. Option C 2 times as long as anyone else. 3 years. And the right answer is pila mane option B 35 question number what did Churchill get into his bones and the right answer is pila mane option A essential structure of ordinary British sentence okay 36 what had Churchill's school fellows who were good at Greek and Latin come down to French basic English poetry common English British literature and the right answer is pila mane कौन हो तो मैंने मत कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करके कहब जे ताकर सांग मैंने जो पाठ पढ़ी सारे से नेक्स्ट कौठार को से पुणी आसिले ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 पिला माने वेयर डिड नॉट चर्चिल फील हिमसेल्फ एट एनी डिसएडवांटेजेस चर्चिल कहीं निजकू फील करे ना जे से डिसएडवांटेजेस रे अछंती ऑप्शन ए बिकॉज ही हैड लर्नड द लैंग्वेज रिक्वायर्ड टू अर्न ए लिविंग बिकॉज ही वाज गुड एट English literature now option C because he learned English sentence structure well now option D because he was earning good income और right answer है पिला माने कोन और right answer है option C because he learned English sentence structure very well okay next question number 38 को जो पिला माने in whose favor was Churchill biased option A रही right answer 38 right answer C boys learning English okay next question number 39 what would Churchill do if he were to decide what the boys should learn and the right answer is option A he would make them all learn English okay question number 40 what would be the only thing Churchill would whip the cleverer boys for not knowing English poetry, not writing English essay, not knowing English, making fun of him in school. And the right answer is 40 क्वेश्चन का आंसर का जो क्वेश्चन है उसका राइट आंसर होगा मेरे प्यारे बच्चों उसका राइट आंसर क्या होगा ऑप्शन सी होगा ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 व्हेन डिड चर्चिल फर्स्ट वेंट टू हैरो इन द समर टर्म ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 how was the swimming bath at Harrow tell me the right answer तो मत कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करके कह पिला माने ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 देन पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 सो गला 43 को जवा पिला माने How many bridges did swimming bath have across it? And the right answer is पिला माने 2. Question number 44. Where did Churchill consider Ameri a fair game? And the right answer is पिला माने option A. He looked no bigger than Churchill. Question number 45. Where did Churchill hold on to Ameri's stall? And the right answer is पिला माने not to let it get wet. Okay. Question number 46. What did Ameri do with Churchill after he caught him, dragged him into the pool, beat him up with his friends, took away his towel and scolded him fiercely? And the right answer is पिला माने dragged him into the pool. Okay. Question number 47 पिला माने by whom did Churchill find himself surrounded by on the other side? And the right answer is a crowd of younger boys. Okay. Question number 48. Which form was Ameri in? And the right answer is Ameri in 6th form. Okay. Question number 49 पिला माने which of the following is not an achievement of Ameri? Ameri रो achievement कोटा नुहे heads of his house, champion at gym, got his football color, champion of Latin poetry. देखा पिला माने से हेड ऑफ हाउस थिला, जिम रे चैंपियन थिला मध्य, फुटबॉल कलर ता पाकर थिला, किंतु से लाटिन पोएट्री रो चैंपियन न थिला. माने एटा अचीवमेंट तार नुहे से. माने 49 ऑप्शन माने क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन हे जिवो डी. ओके. 50. What did Churchill decide to do immediately? Apologize to the Ameri, flee from the place, have a fight with Ameri, give Ameri's towel back. And the right answer is पिला माने option A. Apologize to Ameri for his mistake. Question number 51. What was the age difference between Ameri and Churchill? कितने पिला माने? Right answer is option B पिला माने 2 वर्ष. कारण Ameri 6th form रे थिला बेले के हमरो writer 4th form रे थिले. Okay. Next, how were Churchill and Ameri associate for a good many years afterwards? They were cabinet colleagues. Okay. 53. Who had gained a prize in school for reciting to the headmaster 1200 lines of Macaulay's Lays of Ancient Rome without making a single mistake? And the right answer is पिला माने तो मैंने मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करी कहबाटा बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन पिला माने. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जा पिला माने क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. What was another achievement of Churchill while he was still at the bottom of the school? And the right answer is he had passed the preliminary exam for the army. Okay. Next, what was the first question in the preliminary examination for the army? Draw a map of New Zealand is the right answer. Okay, पिला माने. Question number 56. The last question. What does an play mean? And the right answer is पिला माने putting your bet on a single number. Okay. And the right answer is option B. देखो पिला माने आमे टोटल 56 टी एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन कला. धन्यवाद तो मानको पिला माने तुम धैर्य सहित देखुछ. निश्चित भाव में 56 गोटी एमसीक्यू मध्य ही क्वेश्चन आसो पिला माने. तेणु चिंता करिवार किछि नाही. आशा करी समस्ते बुझी पारिथिबा पिला माने एवं समस्ते यदि बुझी पारिलो एवं वीडियो तुमको भल लागिला तेबे निश्चित भाव में कमेंट बॉक्स रे #75+ लिखिया पे भूलिबनी. ठीक अछि पिला माने. वर्तमान वीडियो को बंद करा गला. पुणी एक नुआ वीडियो रे देखा हबो. समस्त को धन्यवाद. जय मां समली.